Okay, students, the last class continuations. The last class explains blood. So blood is the plasma is explained, and next blood cells are formed elements. The formed elements first one is completed in the RBC. Now the coming to the next WBC. WBC. So WBC. So what is the WBC? So WBC is the white blood cells. White blood cells or corpus cells. Corpus cells. So white blood cells are white blood corpus cells. And another name is white blood cells is leukocytes. Leukocytes. So leukocytes. RBC is commonly called as erythrocytes. WBC. So WBC white blood cells or white blood corpus cells. And WBC commonly called as leukocytes. The WBC is which color? WBC white color. White colors because so hemoglobin is absent. So hemoglobin is absent. So WBC is the white colors. So cannot form color formations. Only RBC is red colors because the RBC is present in the hemoglobin. The formation of color red colors. And WBCs cannot present in the hemoglobins. So cannot formation of the color formations. So it is the WBC the white color formations. So WBCs generally So WBCs generally two types. WBCs generally two types based on the granules. So first one is the granulocytes. First one is the granulocytes. Second one agranulocytes. Agranulocytes. So first one is the granulocytes and agranulocytes. The WBCs two types. The based on the granules of the cytoplasm. WBCs the two types. The based on the presence of granules in cytoplasm two types. The granulocytes and agranulocytes. A means absent. Absent the granules is absent. So granules is present. Granules is absent and granules is present. So granulocytes remains three types. Granulocytes, the basophils. Second one acidophils. Third one neutrophils. So three types. Granulocytes divide three types. First one is goes to basophils, second one goes to acidophils, and the third one goes to neutrophils. Here basophils, acidophils, and neutrophils based on the basic nature, acidic nature, and neutral. So basic nature, acidic nature, neutral. So stains, neutral stains and basic stains and acidic stains based on the three types. The basophils, let us say basophils. So basophils so nucleus divide. So irregular lobes. Basophils nucleus divides two lobes, irregular lobes. Irregular lobes. So irregular lobes and granules present in the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm and nucleus. Nucleus divided. So nucleus divided. So nucleus. This is the nucleus. Nucleus is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So cytoplasm. So cytoplasm and nucleus. Nucleus divides two lobes, but irregular lobes and small lobes and large lobes. So irregular lobes present in the nucleus and present in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm present in the granules. So number of granules present in cytoplasm. Nucleus two lobes but irregular basophils is the basic nature of the basophils. Basophils is the basic nature. So basic nature is the basophils. The basophils only 0.4% in total WBCs. In total WBCs, the total WBCs how much percentage of the so basophils ne how much percentage of the basophils ne WBCs 0.4%. 0.4% of the basophils and basic nature of the basophils. The basophils mainly help of the basophils basic nature. Basic nature. So basic nature से basic stains the basophils. The basophils mainly help of the basophils. So heparin and histamine. So heparin and histamine. So heparin and histamines are anticoagulants. So anticoagulant substances, the secretion from basophils. The secret to the basophils the secretion the heparin and histamine. Heparin and histamine the bradykinin also. So this type of the anticoagulants the secretions of the basophils and the need of the mast cells. The mast cells. Need of the mast cells. So mast cells. So need of the mast cells the basophils. So once again listen here. Basophils. The basophils is part of the granulocytes. The granulocytes the first one is the basophils. The basophils how much percentage? 0.4%. 0.4% of the basophils in the total WBC are leukocytes. So the basophils number of the basophils is 0.4%. So the structure of the basophils that nucleus is divided two lobes but irregular lobes. So irregular lobes because the small and big sizes or large size of the nucleus is divides the irregular lobes of the nucleus is present and cytoplasm so the granules of cytoplasm is present in the cytoplasm of the basophils. So basophils in the basic nature, the basic nature of the basophils. The basophils in the secretion of the basophils, heparin secretion, and second one is the histamine and need of the mast cells they secrete the basophils. This is the basophils. And next one goes to let us see acidophils. So acidophils is bilobed. Acidophils bilobed nucleus is present. Acidophils bilobed nucleus. So bilobed nucleus. So bilobed nucleus is present. So bilobed nucleus is present and granules present in the cytoplasm with granules is present. Cytoplasm with granules is present. Next bilobed nucleus is present. So bilobed nucleus is irregular lobes and regular lobes the same name of the lobes present in the acidophils. So acidophils are another name is eosinophils. Eosinophils and acidophils both are the same. So the structure of the acidophils, the structures in the bilobed nucleus and cytoplasm with granules is present. So this is the acidic nature. Acidophils ne acidic nature. Acidic nature. Acidophils ne acidic natures ne acidophils. So acidophils ne how much percentage of the acidophils? So this is the 2.3%. How much percentage of the acidophils in WBC? So acidophils ne 2.3% of the WBCs and 0.4% of the acidophils. So acidophils ne 2.3%. 2.3% of the acidophils in WBCs. So acidophils increases the numbers. number of the increases the numbers the eosinophils the allergy conditions. Allergy conditions. So allergy conditions, whenever the eosinophils number increases, so automatically in our bodies allergy reactions. So allergy reactions, the rashes. So the rashes and allergy conditions in our body, symptoms may appear from the symptoms in allergy conditions. So automatically eosinophils count or eosinophils number increases in blood levels in WBC. So allergy conditions may say eosinophils number is increases the allergy conditions. So this is the eosinophils. The next one goes to neutrophils. Neutrophils, so neutrophils, so the structure of the neutrophils. The structure of the neutrophils. So the 3 are above the lobes, the 3 to 5 lobes. The 3 to 5 lobes. So 3 to 5 lobes divides the nucleus, the cytoplasms with granules is present. Cytoplasms, granules is present. Cytoplasm with granules is present. 3 to 5 lobes divide nucleus present in the neutrophils. So neutrophils, neutral states. The neutral states present in the neutrophils. So neutrophils may commonly called as microscopic of policeman. So microscopic of policeman. So microscopic of policeman because they how much percentage of the neutrophils? 62%. 62% of the neutrophils in WBC. Total WBC, how much percentage of neutrophils? Let us see, 62% of the neutrophils is present. So 62% of the neutrophils, 62% the structure of the neutrophils. So 3 to 5 lobes divide nucleus is present. The cytoplasm granules present in the cytoplasm. The neutrophils, the neutral dyes. The neutral nature of the neutrophils. The neutrophils phagocytic function. The phagocytic functions, mainly functions of the neutrophils, phagocytic functions. So its the name is called macroscopic of policeman. Macroscopic of policeman because so engulfing functions, engulfing the bacteria. Whenever they enter into the microbiome organisms, enter into the bodies, immediately engulfing. So engulfing or phagocytosis and reactions. So antigen antibody reactions completely destroying the bacteriums or microbiome organisms. They help of the bodies to protect the bodies the neutrophils. So bodies in our bodies protect the bodies the neutrophils, and the name is called microscopic policeman. Police is the protections. The protection the policeman. So its the name is policeman. The neutrophils also our bodies the body protection of the neutrophils, hence the name is called microscopic of the policeman. Microscopic of the policeman or macroscopic of the policeman's name. So commonly called as neutrophils. So neutrophils how much percentage? 62% of the neutrophils. So neutrophils how many lobes of the nucleus is present? 3 to 5 lobes of the nucleus is divided, and so cytoplasms in the granules, cytoplasm with the granules is present. So this is the neutrophils. Neutrophils they commonly called as microscopic of policemen, and eosinophils they antigen and antibody reactions. So antigen and antibody reactions because antigen nothing but foreign materials. Antigen nothing but foreign materials like that virus, bacteria and fungus, like that. So any other antigens foreign materials, the virus or bacteria or fungus or any other materials, they nothing but that antigens. antibodies produce against the antigens in our bodies. Whenever enter into the antigens in our bodies, immediately react to the antibodies. So antigen and antibody reactions automatically, so in our bodies allergy reactions, the allergy conditions, the rashes, allergies conditions in our bodies appear, symptoms appears automatically eosinophils number increases the eosinophils number, and the basophils, the basophils 0.4% basophils, the basic nature, the only irregular lobes the basophils secretion of the heparin and the histamine and the mast cells. So the WBCs number of the WBCs increases. So number of the WBC increases, the leukocythemia and the fall downs. The WBCs numbers the fall down from the WBCs is called leukocytopenia. So leukocytopenia, the fall downs the WBCs in our blood. So the symptoms called leukocytopenia. Increases the WBCs in leukemia or blood cancers. Leukemia, WBCs, unmatured WBCs, number of WBCs increases in blood levels. The leukemia. So leukemia nothing but cancer. So leukemia is conditions of leukemia, WBCs. So WBCs whenever increases the number, the count increases the count in WBCs, the leukemia conditions. Leukemia nothing but cancer, blood cancer. So whenever the increases the in our blood is the WBCs, leukemia. So whenever the blood is decreases the downfall the WBCs called leukocytopenia. So leukocytopenia symptoms is the WBCs commonly called as WBCs called leukocytes. And remaining third ones. So third ones second one is the agranulocytes. So agranulocytes is granules is present with the cytoplasm. Agranulocytes two types. Two types. So second one is the agranulocytes. So agranulocytes two types. First one goes to lymphocytes. Second one goes to monocytes. Lymphocytes and monocytes. So lymphocytes and monocytes. So lymphocytes and monocytes. So lymphocytes and monocytes based on the without granules. Cytoplasms without granules. Only nucleus is present. But without divide. So undivided nucleus is present. So without granules. Is present. So this is only the large nucleus. The large size of the nucleus. The nucleus is present. So without cytoplasm is without granules is present. This is totally cytoplasm. So cytoplasm. This is the nucleus. So nucleus, undivided nucleus. So granulocytes nucleus divide. 2 lobes or 3 lobes divide. But agranulocytes nucleus undivided. Large sizes of the only one nucleus is present without granules present in the cytoplasm. So agranulocytes granules is absent. granules is absent in the cytoplasm. Without granules, the cytoplasm only one nucleus is present. So this is the large size, the spiral shape of the nucleus is present. Spiral shape or oval shape. Oval shape or spiral shape of the nucleus is present in the lymphocytes. The lymphocytes generally two types: T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. The T and B lymphocytes. T and B lymphocytes. The both of the lymphocytes. T lymphocytes means thymus lymphocytes. B means bursa papillae. Bursa papillae are bone marrow. T means thymus lymphocytes. Thymus lymphocytes means at the embryonic stages production of the T lymphocytes, thymus gland. At the embryonic stages, B lymphocytes production of the bursa papillae gland. Hence the name. So hence the name is the T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. T means thymus gland. B means bursa papillae gland. So this is the T lymphocytes or B lymphocytes. The total lymphocytes, how much percentage of total lymphocytes? 30%. So 30% of the lymphocytes in total WBCs. The lymphocytes mainly functions of the lymphocytes. The antibodies produces. Antibodies. So antibodies produces. So antibodies produce. So antibodies the production of the in our bodies. The protect the in our bodies whenever the enter into the antigens. So immediately antigen and antibody reactions. Antigen and antibody reactions. So automatically antibodies produce in our body, raises the immunity power or increases the immunity power increases the lymphocytes. The lymphocytes, first of all, for example, HIV virus, any virus enter into the in our bodies, completely first of all collapse the T lymphocytes and the B lymphocytes. So first of all T lymphocytes and the B lymphocytes completely collapse. So this is the completely, so immunity power is slowly decreases the different type of the diseases in our bodies. So whenever the antibodies the failure the antibodies, they cannot produce the antibodies in our body. So automatically the bodies decreases the immunity power, the different types of the diseases caused by the in our bodies. And next one is the monocytes. So monocytes. So monocytes so this nucleus bean shaped nucleus. So without it, so undivided nucleus, but bean shaped nucleus, and without granules is present in the so monocytes. Monocytes how much percentage of the monocytes? The 5.3%. The 5.3% of the monocytes is present in the total WBCs. The total WBCs monocytes 5.3%. The monocytes, the structure of monocytes, only the big size of the nucleus are undivided nucleus, but nucleus is a bean shaped or kidney shaped or bean shape of the nucleus is present. Without granules is present in the cytoplasm. Monocytes, the monocytes, the help of the monocytes, the production of the antibodies, the productions. This is also antibodies productions. So antibodies, production of the antibodies, the monocytes, this also increases the immunity powers. The agranulocytes, the lymphocytes or monocytes, the total increases the immunity powers. So WBCs. So WBCs the lifetime. How much lifespans WBCs and RBCs? RBC and WBC. WBC lifespans 12 to 13 days, and the RBC how much lifespan? 120 days. The 12 to 13 days in the lifespans. The WBC lifespans 12 to 13 days, and the RBC lifespans 120 days. So 120 days then after 120 days destroyed. WBC is 120 days then after destroys the spleen, and the name is the graveyard of RBC. The graveyard of RBC, the spleen. Spleen is the graveyard of RBC. So So see the WBC and RBCs. Now let us see third one is the platelets. Third one is the platelets. Now which, so next session continuations the platelets.